Rotis talaga. Kasi nagpaguluhan eh. O, ganyan. Ito, Chester James Bennett of 4 years. And 1 minute. Okay, question is given by Nam Villanueva.
Listen, Chester, what do you think is the best quality of your parents that you want to emulate? What do you think is the best quality of your parents that you want to emulate?
Ma'am, my answer for that is their trust for me. Tsaka yung hindi po nila ako pinapabayaan. Kahit anong gawin ko po, suportado po ako. Hindi po nila hinahayaan na wag mo ka kung tanga. Kahit po lagi pinapagalitan kami, nandun po siya para sa amin. Yung support po niya. Thank you, ma'am.